Make a great choice today with the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, engine block heater, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, smart device integration, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.